Welcome to the beach. The players are ready, the sun is shining, and it's time for a little fun with volleyball and a lot of attitude. Men, they're all the same, honey.
I swear half the guys here don't even know the score. They're too busy staring.
Fine by me, just clap when I dive, lads. Honestly, I hit harder when I know someone's watching. Yeah, but do they even notice the ball? Let them think it's a fashion show there. We will still win the match. Men are only good for carrying the drinks, and even then, they spill them. Oh, please. Men only show up to watch, not to think.
Congratulations to the women champions of the tournament. And now, a final word from the champions.
Men, useless since forever.
Well, there you have it. Men and women on the same court, but let's be honest. No man alive is watching the score when there's a women's volleyball team in play. And yes, I wish I'd been there too, just to keep an eye on the ball, of course. Now, before we go, we've got some cock-ups to show you. VO3 isn't always as polished as it thinks it is. But then again, neither am I, and neither are these HeyGen avatars. Trust me, fake humans glitch just as much as fake video. But seriously, hit that subscribe button and stick around. I guarantee it's only gonna get better from here. And while you're at it, leave a comment. Hate me? Hate what we're doing? Fine, say it. Or share the love and drop something decent. It's your life, you decide. This is Daniel Crow, signing off for the night. I've got a date with a volleyball smasher, and I don't mean the ball.
I like a cock-up, so much fun. Here's some for you to enjoy.
Congratulations, that is some team you have there. Let's get their final word. Welcome to the beach, a team of gorgeous athletes with plenty of sarcastic truths about men. Let's hear what they've got to say. You know there's more crap here than in the ocean, and we love it. Stay tuned for more. Add your mark to the subscribe button for more madness.